CH, bond CH2, 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 CH3. This is bonded to C. This is bonded to CH3. This is CH, CH2, CH. CH2, CH. And this is then bonded to CH2, CH2, CH3. And then finally bonded to CH2 and CH3. Okay, that's what is the correct IUPAC name for the following branch chain here? So let's count again. What we're forced to do is we have to count what the longest chain here is, right? So I would probably count from here, and I would make my way up here for the longest chain here. So I have here, this would be carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 13 here. So 13 would be, I believe, the longest chain. Let me just check here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 would put some emphasis on this ethyl group here. So I would probably actually count from up to down and not from down to up here. So let me just erase this. This would go, I would go basically from, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh no, not 9 here. 8. Oh, it's, sorry. So this here, this carbon bonded is bonded to this guy here. So sorry, bonded here. So this would be 9, 10, 11, and 12. So this here would be my longest chain. And let's see, I would have an ethyl group on 4. So I have ethyl group on 4 here. I have a methyl on 7. I have a methyl on 8. And that's about it. So I would probably have to say this would be 4 ethyl. So if I were to write this, I would say alphabetical order 4 ethyl. I would have 7 and 8 have a methyl group. So 7, 8 dimethyl. And then for a 12 carbon chain, this would be a dodecane chain, dodecane. So in this case, B would be the correct answer here. 4 ethyl, 7, 8 dimethyl, dodecane here is my correct answer. So this here is correct here. Hence 4 ethyl, 7, 8 methyl, dodecane here is correct. And they label it just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, 10, 11, 12. So this here is a correct answer. And again, they have a methyl group, an ethyl group on 4, and a dimethyl group, or sorry, methyl group on 7, and a methyl group on 8 here. So great solution and analysis. Solution here is correct.